In this Coursiify review, I'm going to be showing you a product that is claiming to be an AI assistant that can help you make these done for you Udemy like business. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Coursiify is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get Coursiify at any time during this video, make sure you guys click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses. So now let me show you my bonuses. So these are the bonuses that you're gonna be getting. So the first bonus is the 6-figure in 60 days live event. Then comes the Course Builder Pro, then comes Course Launcher, then comes Traffic Booster, then Course Engagement Hacks, then you get Coursiify Flipping Niche Website Builder. And I have a total of 9 pages of bonuses. So you're gonna be getting all these bonuses if you end up buying through my link. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, world's first AI assistant that gives us done for you Udemy like business with 4 clicks, then drives 19,575 clicks to it daily, resulting in $124.86 in daily sales. First of all, this number seems too unrealistic. I don't really think they can help you drive 19,575 clicks to it daily. But I do believe the fact that this AI assistant can help you generate these done for you Udemy like business. But for the marketing part, I think you have to do it for yourself. But this AI assistant can definitely help you build this Udemy like business. Now if you scroll down, down here you can see some of the reviews by these famous people like Art Flair, Mike Mackay. I know these people, Anirudh Bhavra. So these positive reviews are there. And if you scroll further down, you can see the steps. So the first step is you have to log into this Coursiify cloud-based app. Then you have to simply enter a keyword. Our AI assistant Sonia will take care of the rest. Then the step 3 is you have to launch. Click one button and you're done. Coursiify will give you a fully functional e-learning website within seconds. Then the step 4 is where you profit. So that's great. Now let's scroll a bit down. So Coursiify also offers you bonuses. So they offer you all these bonuses. They offer up to 5 bonuses. So now let's scroll further down where you can see the pricing of Coursiify. Here you can see you'll get Coursiify Assistant Sonia, you get Coursiify e-learning booster and all that features. And the total value they are saying is about $10,867, but they are giving it now for only $16.95 and you can grab it. You can add this if you want to, but if you are not adding this, you can get Coursiify for only $16.65, which is a one-time payment. And also suppose if you are about to close the page, you'll get a pop-up like this in which you'll get a $3 discount. So make sure you guys get this $3 discount. Now let me close this. Make sure you guys buy through my link as it gives me a portion of the money. I'm an affiliate basically, so it gives me a portion of the money which can help me make these informative videos every single day. Now let's jump into the OTOs and upgrades of Coursiify. So the first OTO is the unlimited version, which will cost you $67. Then comes the done for you, which is $297. Then automation, that is $47. Then swift profit, that goes about $47. Limitless traffic, that is $97. And agency, which is $167. Franchise edition, $97. And multiple income, which is $47. So you have got a total of 8 OTOs. 8 OTOs for Coursiify, so you can upgrade them based on your needs. So but the front end is only gonna cost you $17, and after which you can upgrade to them if you want to. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys buy through the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.